That got really spicy. And now I'm like sweating. And it's like it keeps getting spicier. It's like, oh, they're the hiccups. God. Oh, God. I'm cool. Jeez, stop. All right, we're good. No, we're not. Wow, that one jalapeno really went for it inside of me. That doesn't usually happen, honestly. I can handle some spice, but there's like something that happens and then all of a sudden my body just rejects it. And it's like, please don't ever do that to us again. But I love it and I love the pain. Am I weird? Maybe.